All right, so let's go ahead and look at this graph here. So we are still looking at line of best fit, but today we are going to be um, comparing what the line of best fit should look like on a graph and being able to describe what it means. So if we look at this graph, we have two lines that have been drawn. One of them already indicates that it's the line of best fit, one does not, right? So this graph is basically saying that as your weight increase, so does your age. So meaning the older you get, the more you weigh. So obviously we have some outliers here that disagree with this information, because if you weigh 110 pounds, they're saying that you're about 8 years old. But then if you look, some of these just don't fit the thing. So just because you increase in age don't necessarily mean that you're going to be super heavy, but it is a trend that the older you get, the more you weigh. So think about when you have a baby brother or sister, they're small, but then as they turn 2, 3, 4, 5 years old, they get larger, which means that their weight also increases. Um, so the line of best fit, as we stated yesterday, would be the line that goes directly through the majority of the data. So it's the line that best describes the relationship between the two different variables, which is the X variable, which is the weight, and the Y variable, which is the age. All right. Now, this line here is a negative slope line because it's going downhill, it's going downward. So if I were to not have this label here, you should already be able to tell that the line that is going downward is not going to be the best fit, because number one, the data is trending upward. It is going up this way, which means it is a positive correlation between the age and your weight. This line indicates that it would be a negative correlation, which is incorrect. All right. So just make sure that when you are drawing the line of best fit, or when you are looking at data and trying to interpret that data, that you understand that positive data would be going in an upward motion and negative data would be going in a downward motion. All right.